We're on San Juan Island in Washington, heading to a state park that's one of the best places on Earth to view whales from land.
Hey, Joe.
How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Joe Gatos is from the local Sea Dock Society, a group that does research on marine creatures in the Salish Sea. While we're keeping our eyes peeled for whales, Joe's gonna show us some other unique sea life.
We just got off the water, and it was gorgeous out there. We saw a seal actually nursing.
It's that time of year right now. Yeah, it's like a tender wildlife moment. And I think we'll see a lot of cool stuff today. You know, there's all this amazing wildlife. We have over 3,000 different species of invertebrates that you can see without a microscope. When that tide really goes out, you can get a chance to be underwater without even getting wet.
Okay, and to do this, you gotta be here at the right time.
Right, and you can see we've got the high tide that happened about 3 o'clock this morning, and then right now we're just getting into the low tide. So as this swings down into the red, this is kind of the magic hour. And these organisms we're gonna see, it's crazy because they live underwater their whole life, but they're adapted to being able to live during the hottest time of the summer and the coldest time in the winter without any water there. So these are really hardy organisms. Most everything we're gonna see today is edible. And there's an old coast Salish saying, when the tide is out, the table is set.
Oh,
So you can eat the kelp,
Wow.
you can eat the green algae, you can eat the crabs, you can eat the fish, everything. It's a magical spot.
That's awesome.
This is all edible. Snack?
Snack.
Little snack.
Make some good chips out of these. It's really good.
It's actually very good. This might be the best thing I've tried out in nature.
Sprinkle it over your salad or your rice, and yeah, it's great. Well, it's going to just get better as we go farther down. So a lot of times you first get here and you're like, oh, there's nothing in here, and then if you take a second, all of a sudden you start to see little crabs crawling around. There's a little fish right over there.
Wow, look at the colors too. They blend in so well.
It's amazing how much life is right here in this tiny little pool.
Just a few hours ago, the area we were exploring was under 12 feet of seawater. And the proof is in every tide pool and under nearly every rock.
Check these out.
Oh, wow.
This is a little green urchin. These animals actually eat kelp underneath of them. They have these little tube feet, and then that's the mouth part there, right?
Wow.
Put it in your hand, and then you'll start to feel it almost stick down to you, and then you can even feel it glide across your hand sometimes.
The sea urchin's circular mouth has 5 little but very tough teeth. It uses them to scrape algae off of surfaces and feed on kelp and other seaweeds. On the Pacific coast, an average green sea urchin's shell grows to around 2 inches.
These guys look almost like they're just rock solid and that they don't move around at all, but when you really take a moment to focus in, you can see all of those different spines, would you call them spines? Yeah, moving around.
Oh, yeah.
Can you feel it?
Oh, I can feel it, yeah.
And then look at this, it's a really cool find here. You see it sticking?
Oh, I can see, yeah.
This is a little 6-armed sea star. And then you can kind of see the tube feet pulling onto my finger there, just holding on.
Life in the open water can be really turbulent, and this sea star's tiny suction cup feet are important for staying put in big waves. Although they lack eyes, sea stars have something called eye spots, which are simple lenses at the tips of their arms used to detect light.
He's trying to grab onto my palm like it's a rock.
Well, I think you got a new buddy.
Got him for life.
We're in this together, my friend.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.